Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy Valentine's Day gift. My husband gave me this bouquet a while back, so just before they were going to go bad, I saved some flowers and pressed them in an old thick book. Now, I understand that not everyone has real flowers around them, so you can either use stickers or you can draw some flowers and then cut them out. Now we are going to need a photo frame and some pictures that remind us of good times together. I'm going to place red paper at the background because it is going to provide a very nice contrast to my white flowers. And then I'm just going to arrange my photographs and flowers. Our gift is ready. Thana super easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. I'll see you later.